Hi there and welcome to another episode of Money Moves with Debt Rescue, the channel where we help you move your money in the right direction. Today we're zoning in on a topic that can truly make or break your financial future, your credit score. We're going to discuss 5 tried and tested topics that can assist you in making sure that your financial future moves in the right direction by making sure you take care of your credit score. Your credit score isn't just a number, it's a reflection of your financial health, and it packs a punch. A great credit score could be the difference between getting the home or car loan with a reasonable interest rate or paying a premium. And did you know it can even influence job opportunities in certain fields? First up, always keep tabs on your credit report. Frequent credit report checks are your first line of defense against inaccuracies or fraud. Any anomalies should be reported to the credit bureau as soon as possible for rectification. If you notice anything amiss, contact the credit bureau immediately to have it rectified. Secondly, never underestimate the importance of paying your bills on time. Late or missed payments can negatively affect your score. A single missed or late payment can knock your credit score down significantly. Repeated missed or late payments can be detrimental. Set reminders or automate your debt repayments to avoid this. Thirdly, let's talk about reducing your debt. The harder you work on paying your debt off, starting from the highest interest accounts, you will show that you are responsible in honoring your debt agreements on your credit score. Our fourth method is all about being cautious about credit inquiries. Each credit application triggers an inquiry, which can negatively impact your score. Additionally, multiple rejections worsen the situation. Ignore those tempting ads promising easy loans. They'll only harm your credit score. And finally, don't max out your credit cards and store cards. Using a high percentage of your credit limit signals that you are a potential risk to potential lenders. Your credit limit is not a goal to be achieved. Use your credit wisely and only in case of emergency if you can. Remember, creditworthiness is a journey, not a destination. Stay diligent, stay informed, and you'll be on the right track. Thank you for joining us for another episode of Money Moves with Debt Rescue. Please remember to like this video, share it, subscribe to our channel, and leave comments below if you have any tips that you'd like to share with your fellow South Africans or any comments that you'd like us to discuss on any topics in the future.